Keyfactor provided a full suite of services that we were able to take advantage of in different architectures at a much lower cost point. My name is Fred Cohn. I'm the digital risk leader for our IoT practice in Schneider Electric. Schneider Electric is a multinational manufacturer of electrical and control systems, from intelligent building connection to data centers, even home equipment connecting up to host environment. One of the services we provide is a PKI infrastructure to sign firmware builds and secure boot certificates for any boxes that go out the door. If we're making any desktop software, it needs a certificate to be installed, and we want devices that connect to our infrastructure to have an authenticity certificate so we know who they are. Before we used Keyfactor, we had purpose-built systems that were not scalable, and we were struggling to maintain them. We needed to deploy a system where we could protect the intelligence of these devices. And because of different standards and regulatory requirements, we realized that we had to scale up. Keyfactor's ability to scale and the architecture that it supports allows us to deal with the huge increase in volumes of both firmware signing and software signing solutions. We've also used the EJBCA solution to enable our key ceremony activities, and we had a significant reduction in cost, 1/5 the cost of what we were paying before. It's really unclear to know when post-quantum crypto will be a reality, and our engagement with Keyfactor gives us confidence that we'll be ready.